Do you want me to, is this something you want me to refer to Amber as far as size goes, or would you? She works, I believe, in hospice, and Jack, what do you do?
I work in the environmental safety and
Environmental safety and oil and gas.
Is it because of the views or what? Much nicer so from here. But they don't use.
Does it have a fireplace? Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it does.
The black kitchen. Washer and dryer right here.
They're obviously
Kit Kat.
moving out.
Here's a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Finished garage.
What is
Painted wall area.
Have you looked up here?
Triumph. That's kind of cool. See, don't let her hurt herself, okay? You're in charge, Shaq.
I mean, they're clearly moving out. They still live here, but they're clearly moving out.
Why do you say that?
Because, like, they have no dining room table.
Oh, uh-huh.
You know?
What is that thing? Oh, that's their modem. I get it.
Just seems to make a lot of difference. A lot.
Is that what we think this has? 150 more?
How are the closets in these rooms? Decent.
I turned the lights on. Will you help me with that?
Okay, who's just leaving us here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, that's good.